Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, pardon my appearance. I mean, basically still in my pajamas essentially. I did throw on some makeup, but I've got my natural hair because it's one of those days, you know. But this is me, take it or leave it. Today I want to show you guys the Princess Pin mystery box that I so desperately tried to collect all of while I was in Disney World. Unfortunately, I am still missing Mulan. If you have Mulan from this collection and you want to trade her, please direct message me on my Instagram at HollyLollyCo. I will leave it in the description bar below. I am desperate for Mulan, so if you have her, please let me know. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually insert the clips of me unboxing these throughout this video. So let's see who I got. Okay, this is the Disney Princess one. I got 2 boxes of it. Let's see how this goes. I really want, I think Rapunzel, because it's like so different from the other ones. I want all of them actually. I'm not even gonna try and see it, I don't. Okay. Is this like a little, these are not the new one bags that have like good tear top.
Dun dun dun.
Oh, Snow White! That one's really pretty.
That's a good one for you, I feel like.
Yeah, I don't have any Snow White pins actually, so that's awesome. Oh, I should have done probably the first time. Pocahontas.
You got Pocahontas!
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a
She's
good
so
one.
rare, I feel like.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
And I just bought my first Pocahontas pin the other day, so now I have a whole little collection. Okay,
Dun dun dun.
second one, hoping for
What's
no
in that one?
devils.
What do you think?
This is, okay.
Predictions.
I really would like Ariel and Rapunzel or Tiana. I guess like we know how I feel about Tiana.
Yeah, a little obsessed with Tiana right now.
That's fine.
It's hard not to be. She's kind of.
Oh, I got Merida.
You got Merida?
Look at
that's
that pretty hair.
That's my first ever Merida pin, so that's pretty exciting.
I'm about to say, if you don't want that, I will take that. Because she's like, I will trade you for that pin.
Oh,
because
you
I
can
love
literally have her, girl.
Her. No, I'm not gonna take it from you.
She's like, I'm not gonna take it.
Oh, and Moana! You got it!
Oh my gosh!
You got Moana!
Moana! Oh my gosh.
She looks really cute in that too.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So I have more of the Princess Collection ones because we're trying to get all of them. I dumped them all out, so I have 3 boxes and 6 pins. This one, yeah. It's so obvious which one is Rapunzel because it's literally double the size of the rest
Oh,
of
it's
them.
really pretty
But it's
though.
really pretty,
It's
though.
really pretty. Like, that's gorgeous.
Yeah,
So,
she's cute.
okay. And this one, I can tell is another Rapunzel. So, got 2 Rapunzel, guys.
Woohoo.
All right. Let's see.
These are different though.
You probably could have told by the weight too if we would have like really
if you
thought about
really
it.
wanted to be that extra, yeah.
What did you
She
get?
got her. She got her.
Yay! So it's worth it for that.
Yay.
Didn't you want Rapunzel and Tiana? Were those
Yes.
the two?
Yes.
Yes.
So there you go.
I really would love Ariel. Well, I want pretty much all of them. I say the only ones I don't really like actively collect are like Snow White and Merida.
And I took the Merida.
Yeah.
I gave that one.
Jasmine.
Oh yeah, you're continuing on your collection. You're
Wow,
crushing it with
you're
this.
doing so good.
All right.
Jasmine, oh, I love the Jasmine one. That's really pretty.
Ariel!
Oh my god!
Oh, this gotta be a good one.
Oh my
All
god.
right. Everybody.
Pray, what's the last one you need?
I still need Sleeping
Pocahontas?
Beauty.
Or no, you got Pocahontas.
I got Pocahontas. I still need Sleeping Beauty, Mulan. If this was Belle, I'd probably,
Shit yourself.
yeah. I got Moana, right? Yeah, I got
Yeah,
Moana.
you got
Mhm.
Moana.
And then Cinderella. So if
So
it's,
there's a lot.
if it's Sleeping Beauty, Mulan, Belle, or
Cindy.
Cinderella,
I hope
I'm
it's
in
Belle.
really good
I really
shape.
hope it's Belle for you.
I can't see it.
She's black.
Oh, it's another Moana. That's okay though, because now you can have one.
Oh, you can have her. Use her
I
to
already have a
trade.
Moana.
Yeah.
Plus,
Well,
you're
wait,
gonna
'cause
open
you're
yours.
Oh yeah, I have mine
Yeah.
too.
Hold them all out because you guys may use them for
Oh
trade.
yeah, what if you get if I get a Belle, she's all yours.
Oh, that's all.
I know you I know.
Well,
There's bound to be a Belle in these 3. Hopefully. Oh, sorry, my titties is out.
oh, you good, you good.
I could have dumped these out already. Oh, definitely got a Rapunzel.
Okay. I mean, it's not like it's not a good one. It is a good one.
It's a good pin.
Well, that doesn't look like another one.
Okay.
Mm.
I don't remember where I put the versions of these though.
Huh?
Oh, you got all small ones. Okay.
Well, let's go ahead and open this one because we know who she is. Yeah.
I'm happy with these three for what I
So
got.
cute.
Yeah.
Yes.
Considering that the bag I got had nothing.
I'm actually very
Wait.
happy to have a Rapunzel. What?
Oh, never mind. Wait, yeah. Okay, we have 3 total, right?
Yeah.
That's so funny. Oh my gosh.
So a Rapunzel.
I thought you were opening a 4th Rapunzel for a second because I thought you had 2.
Oh.
Yeah, I got
No,
confused for a second.
I hadn't opened it. I just saw that it was gigantic.
Yeah.
Another Moana.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
What's your guess?
Cinderella.
Ooh.
She's always good at guessing. Literally, when you said it was like Mr. Potato Head or Mrs. Potato Head, you got both.
You got Mulan.
Yes, heck yes. And you love Mulan
I
too,
do,
so that's
I
good.
do. I'm very specific about who I like.
Yeah,
So
that's a good one.
a Jasmine.
Okay. We love her.
We are not mad.
Pretty good,
Yeah.
actually.
Those are like all of my favorites.
Yeah, they
It's kind
literally
of
are all
weird.
your faves. Did
You got a
get
Bella!
Oh!
She's cute. Did you get Snow White
Yeah, I did.
yet?
Yeah.
I was just
Yeah.
making sure because if not, you could have her.
I got her.
What's your last guess?
I'm still going with Cindy. I felt like there was a Cindy.
I'm hoping it's.
Ariel.
Oh, okay.
Aw.
I was gonna hope it was Pocahontas for you because I,
was
know
really
you
hoping
like
it was Belle
Pocahontas.
for you. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna lie,
yeah.
I was hoping.
That's okay because we're going to Magic Kingdom tomorrow and I have no shame in buying more. Because
Me either.
I
because if
know
get
who
every
I
princess,
am.
I'd be happy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, you want to open your
Is
eyes?
I just want to keep. Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. Is I just literally want to keep buying these until I get all of them.
Okay.
Okay, so none of those
Princesses,
none
please.
of those were.
Dang.
Oh, it's Jasmine.
Oh, yay!
Heck yes. Okay, because I still needed her.
Yes.
Perfect.
Good. Off to a good start.
I know. I saw no Rapunzels and I was like, we're good. We're doing great already.
I'm trying to look at the back.
We don't need 50 more Rapunzels.
So you need Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, Belle. Oh my god, who is it? It's Belle. It's Belle.
It's Belle.
Oh my god.
Freaking
Yes! Finally! Okay.
Jeez, literally
Okay.
30 I wish we'd kept the boxes so
You'll
we
be
could
able
go
to know
back.
how many from the videos.
Yeah, that's true. And see how many we unboxed to get freaking originals. Okay.
So you
no
need 2 more.
No Rapunzels.
So you just need Sleeping Beauty and Cinderella? Or do you need Merida?
I need Sleeping Beauty. I know I need Milan and
Oh.
Cinderella and Merida.
Okay, so
But
you need
I would
4
be
more.
okay if I didn't get Merida.
Sleeping Oh my god!
Okay.
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 Let it be Mulan. Let it be
Okay,
Mulan.
okay.
Or Cinderella.
Or Cinderella, yeah.
Mulan, Cinderella, Mulan. Is it you, Cinderella?
I don't think it's Mulan. I think it could
Because
be
the arm
Cinderella.
out would be
Yeah.
very obvious.
Cinderella!
Oh my god!
If I can go back to the parks and not have to buy any more of these goddamn boxes, I will be so happy. Okay. all
That
right.
is like.
I'm gonna let you open those two after I open this one.
You don't have to. You can open all of them. Okay.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Because you have a lot to go in that collection, and I know you wanted to get some more of them. Okay. Tiana. That's like
The way you
fifth-
said it was
that's-
like,
That's like the
yeah.
5th Tiana that we've gotten, so. That's okay. I don't think this is Mulan because I don't feel an arm. It's Belle. Oh, but you
Oh,
need Belle.
yeah.
You need Belle.
The way you said it too, as if you're not like obsessed with Belle. Oh, I like her background though.
Yeah, that's cute.
cute.
That's a good picture of her. Like a
Yeah.
good. Her hair all flowing and curly. That's a good one.
Okay, who else do you need for princesses?
I'll
I'll definitely have a Rapunzel.
Aw, dang it.
Another Rapunzel. Yeah.
We don't
feel her
have so
hair
many
from a
of
mile
those.
away.
Yeah. Well, her box is like 3 times the size.
Definitely somebody that doesn't have a lot of hair.
So
Or like
maybe
an arm out or anything.
Tiana, Jasmine, Moana.
Jasmine.
Okay. We all got her.
Okay.
The fact that I'm gonna have to go out and buy a few more of these boxes.
Well, there's no Rapunzel.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay.
That's like the big part.
Who was that?
Another freaking Tiana.
Oh my God, Tiana. I
We
shouldn't have.
love you, girl.
I
but
shouldn't have
damn.
spoken into the universe that I was so obsessed with her recently.
We were so bent on
on
getting, you a bell.
and now we
have
have
3.
Freaking 3. Okay. All right. Well,
That's okay. All right, Disney Princess
Oh my God.
collection. We bought literally probably like at least 15 boxes of these.
No,
It's
we had
ridiculous
to
at this
have.
point. I still need Mulan and Merida, and then I'm done. You need a few.
A lot,
to be done. Okay. Are you gonna try and complete it?
Yeah, eventually, yeah. Eventually, I say probably
You
before
might
the
be
end
able,
of the
you
trip.
might be able to trade if we end up not being able to complete it. You might
That's
be able
true.
to trade. Oh, Merida. Okay.
Okay, look, there
So
you
at
go.
least I got that one. That one's like the one that I didn't really want the most, but I'm happy to at least have her. Like I wasn't gonna be disappointed if I didn't get her necessarily. Oh, come on, bro. And another Moana. That's like the fourth one we've gotten of her.
Yeah.
That's a good trader though. That'll make someone else really happy on a pin board. Oh, Rapunzel.
I told you one of those definitely had Rapunzel in it because it was
Yeah.
heavy.
So it's literally so obvious when it's a Rapunzel because it's so freaking big compared to the other pins.
That's what we should do from now on. Weigh
Just,
the
like,
boxes
weigh
in our
them, make
hands.
Sure we don't get a freaking Rapunzel. And another Moana. Jeez. Can I just get a Mulan up in this place? Okay.
So, as you can see, I ended up with many a duplicate. But before that, I want to show you guys these displayed on my pin board. They look stunning. I am obsessed. Oh my goodness. So this pin board is a castle shaped pin board. It is from an Etsy shop, which I will link in the description below. It's a great size pin board for a castle shaped pin board. I love it. And right now it's kind of got all of my castle themed pins, extra princess pins, and extra Star Wars pins that don't fit on my R2-D2 board right now. But down here, I have all of this collection minus Mulan. Obviously, once I get reconfiguring, I will have to add Mulan and reconfigure this a little bit. But look how freaking gorgeous these are. I mean, come on. I love that they have a sparkly background. I'm gonna actually pick you guys up. So we have Snow White looking absolutely stunning with a little apple in the back. We have Jasmine with the lamp. Moana with the heart of Te Fiti. We have Ariel with a little shell. A stunning portrait of Aurora with her crown. We have Belle, obviously, with a rose. Cindy with her glass slipper. Merida with, oh crap, you guys, it's been so long since I've seen this movie. Oh, I can't think of what that symbol is, I'm sorry. Pocahontas with a little bit embellishment, like she looks fancy with her earrings, and yeah, she's got a little bit going on there. And the colors of the wind leaves. Tiana with, is that a lotus or a water lily? I think it's a lotus. And Miss Rapunzel with her Kingdom of Cronus sun there in the background. So this is all of them looking gorgeous. So this is definitely one of my favorite pin boxes that I've ever seen at Disney. Granted, I just recently got into pins, but this is definitely my favorite pin box that is available currently. And now I want to go through all of my traders with you guys so that if you are in need of any of these princess pins to complete your collection, or I guess at least add to your collection, you know what I have. And like I said, my DMs are open. So just contact me on my Instagram and let's be pin trading friends. Okay, so I have 5 of the Rapunzel pins available. So if you are in need of Punzi, let me know. I have 3 Jasmine pins. So if you need Jasmine, let me know. I have 1 extra Sleeping Beauty pin, Aurora. I have 4 extra Moanas, which I feel like are pretty popular, so let me know if you need Miss Moana. And I also have 3 Tianas available, so please DM me on Instagram at HollyLollyCo if you are in need of Tiana. Now, I will say I had a girl message me about doing a pin trade, but she's not going to be home for like a couple of weeks, and I feel like as time goes on, stuff like this, whether you're purchasing on Facebook Marketplace or pin trading or whatever it is, I feel like when time goes by, people just tend to change their minds or just lose interest. I don't know. So I will say, for the sake of this video, I do have I have 1 Cinderella and I have 1 Belle that are both pending trade. So feel free to DM me about these, and if that girl has changed her mind, I'll reach out to her. And if she has changed her mind, obviously these will be up for trade as well. So definitely, if you're interested in those, go ahead and message me just in case that one falls through. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing and showing you guys all of the many duplicates that I have of this collection. Hopefully I can help y'all complete yours, and maybe one of you out there has a Mulan for me to complete mine as well. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button down below for all of the Disney and lifestyle content that's coming to you shortly. I've got a lot of home renovation and redecoration videos coming, so if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you hit subscribe. Leave me in the comments down below your favorite mystery pin box that Disney has right now. I would love to chat about it in the comments. So hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.